quicker than your average teacher. Try to preach English, but the chillins don't answer. Butterflies chillin', doobies grillin', sweating kids who don't bring homework like villains, cause he's dead right, and his head's right. Dutton's right there, like popping kids whose classwork is overdue. Never lose, she can choose who, and accuse you. Do something to us, bark and chew us. Class makes a big fuss, both wanna kill us, fail us, who us, oh it's just a BS. Close like Starsky and Hutch, teaching not much. Try to squeeze 3 questions out about history, handing out F's easily. Doobie, recently fronting on American history, so he just speaks his piece, keeps his peace. Dutton really loves to teach to her peeps, acting, asking who wanted to go to the party. Only got 1 pass, who wanted?
Doobie doobie doobie, can't you see? Sometimes it's just really hard to see. We just love your teaching ways. This is why you're broken, you're so